of data analysis. For number 4, first of all, we need to remove the color column. So we need to read the IDCD.csv dataset and drop color, which is access the column replace true is equal to is directly do in the set. In question number 2, we need to duplicate the rows. Okay, the df.drop duplicate, so replace to the df.save. The drop duplicates remove the repeated rows, save shows the number of rows in column. Question number 3, we need to rename the class to character. The df name columns class category plus to print df.head. Rename changes the column name class become category, head displays the first value. Question: rename the class column as category and displays the first values. Question number 4, removes the missing values rows. So df new drop now access 0 is equal to rows and replace is equal to false. Df print removes it. Any is a missing value. Drop now removes rows containing missing values. Access 0 to rows, replace false equal to original data frame is not changed. Df means we can store the clean data frame. Question number 5, front-end tendency of the score. 3 values are calculated: mean, median, mean average value, median, middle value, most frequently occurring value. Question 6, variability of score. The measures are calculated. Range is equal to maximum to minimum. Variance shows how much value vary from the average. Standard variance shows the spread values and the mean. Range score is equal to score max minus df score minimum. Variance is equal to df score by var. STD value is equal to df score by STD. Question number 7. We need to calculate the IQ or quantiles of score in experience. IQ is equal to 25th percentile. Q3 is equal to 75th percentile. IQ or difference between Q1 and Q1. Q1 is equal to df score quantile 0.25, Q3 is equal to df score quantile 0.75. The IQ of Q3 and Q3 minus. So calculate z score is equal to c. Z is equal to value minus mean minus the standard deviation. Mean is equal to df score by mean. STD df score by the STD. df z minus 4 and df is score minus mean STD. The score tells us how small a value is in the mean. Question number 9, we need to correlation of heat map. Import photoencyclopedia and map data to the observatory. Here we need to import the seaborne percentage. So correlation calculates the between the column. SMS is from or not true. Then adding two new ones. So to new records are created using directories df1 and df2. Like style title, style width, people, limited, period, figure, values, and store the double. Finally, we want to print the df tail. From down, we want to replace missing pedal with pedal with df.filling.new. Fill now you will use the filling value, missing value. We are missing also replace with mean parameter. But we detect outliers using box plot. PLT box plot df score drop now. The box plot is to replace the score values. Drop now ignores missing values. Box plot display distribution helps identify the possible outliers. 30. Remove the outlier using IQ1. So first Q1 and df copy score is equal to 0.25. It is df copy score is equal to 7. The IQ is equal to Q3 minus Q1. The lower limit Q1 minus 1.5 IQR, upper limit Q3 plus 1.5 IQR. The remove outlier using Z score 14 to 15. I keep the values between minus 8 and plus 3 and Z score is converted adding from the remove outlier. 40, 50. Removing the last rows. So we need to read the CSV and should give the view in the column in place of directly in the document is a DF4 and we have to new data to DF the DF and we do it. I'm cutting the two columns which we would tail space last 5 rows. After I successfully perform the exploration of data analysis and I using kind of